In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate timeline charts, text, in Google Gemini. To get started, open Google Gemini in your browser. Make sure you're signed in and have a stable connection so your session doesn't time out while you work. Once Gemini is open, we'll set it up to create a clean text-based timeline that you can quickly reuse across documents, slides, or project plans. Now enter your prompt. Keep it simple and direct so Gemini understands exactly what you want. You'll be asking for a timeline in text format, so say that clearly right away. For example, you can write something like, create a text-based timeline that outlines the major milestones for a product launch. This tells Gemini the format and the purpose from the start. Next, ask Gemini to create a timeline in text format with the right level of detail. Specify the topic or project so it knows the context. Include a start and end date or a clear time period to anchor the sequence. Ask for key milestones or events you want included, such as planning, design, development, testing, and launch. Tell it how to show progression using arrows, dashes, or indentation. You might say, use arrows like Jan, Feb, Mar to illustrate flow, or use dashes for a simple list. Also request concise one-line descriptions for each milestone so the timeline stays scannable. A complete example prompt could be, create a text-based timeline for a website redesign from January to June. Include key milestones, discovery, wireframes, design, development, testing, launch. Use arrows to show progression and keep each milestone to a single line. Generate the timeline by submitting your prompt. Review the output for clarity and order. Check that the dates are correct, the milestones are in the right sequence, and each line is brief and readable. If something looks off, ask Gemini to adjust the style, swap arrows for dashes, tighten the wording, or add missing milestones. You can also request indentation to group subtasks under a main phase if needed. Finally, copy or refine the timeline for planning, presentations, or documentation. Paste it into a project brief, a slide deck, or a status update. If you're using it in a meeting, consider bolding dates or coloring arrows after you paste it into your tool of choice so it's easy to skim. As your project evolves, return to Gemini with the same structure and ask it to update dates or add new events while keeping the one-line format. This way, your timeline stays clear, consistent, and ready to share.